Hi guys, welcome back to A Tribe Called Henry. Say hi everybody.
Hello.
Hi. And today we're kicking off summer with some pool vibes. So come along. We got a pool here at the Airbnb we're staying at and we're gonna enjoy it. So enjoy the summer vibes.
All to ourselves.
All to ourselves, ladies. What a beautiful pool. Very nice. All right. Let's jump in there. It's so hot, you guys. Oh my God.
It is 98 degrees.
Oh my goodness. When I told that, please. Okay.
Yeah.
How is it? Let's go. He's gonna test. It's good. It's refreshing.
Guys, you guys can go over there and look.
I'm gonna insert that clip with Stewie. See, so you guys know what he's talking about.
You know it's true. Everything I do, oh, I do it for you.
Because
Babe did all that I die for you, Brian McKnight, McAdams,
but it's good though because
and dove in with his phone, but it's
this is
waterproof.
water resistant. and it was just there like for 2 seconds. So you're good.
I'm gonna have to beep out his reaction.
I'm gonna put like this so it's dry.
Okay.
But it's fine. It's not,
All right.
You don't need. Okay, there's not old school. You don't have to put rice in it. All right.
Oh
You're
my
fine.
God.
It's water resistant.
Hey, I'm from that era.
All right. I know.
I didn't get that. Hi. Where's Babe?
Too shallow.
That's it? Babe just completely belly flopped. You completely belly flopped.
Navy SEALs, yo.
Navy SEALs. Look at Halsey. Halsey's just chilling. You know. Girls, I don't think you can dive. It says no diving. All right, that's it. No more diving.
Right here.
About to sunbathe a little bit. All right, guys.
We're parked where you're allergic to.
To mango. 83. So, to continue our summer nights, we're at Disney Springs. And we're going to attempt to see the second showing of the drone show.
Right here.
But there's lightning and it's been raining. So I'm not sure if they're going to do it. Much needed rain though, because it has been
a scorcher.
Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and go look at some of the stores, some of the merch, and just enjoy ourselves. My God, the girls are jumping in puddles. It's not a rainy summer day unless you're jumping in puddles like Peppa, right?
Getting their pepper on.
All right. So the tunes you're hearing behind us is from House of Blues, where you can sit, enjoy a couple drinks, some food, and have live music. The line for the drone show is insane, so we're gonna catch it from the top of the parking lot, the parking garage. We'll show you because it's insane. Even though it's at 10:45, it's still a big enough crowd. I figured, you know, the bigger crowd would be at 9 and it would die down around 10:45.
It's cheap. The cheap out there.
No, it's crazy. Say hi. All right, so let's go do what I like to do, which is go shopping. Let's go.
Let's have a shop.
So right here is the M&M store. Right, we just left House of Blues back there and City Works. Then you have Splitsville, which is the bowling alley. You have Jaleo, which is the restaurant. And then right next to Splitsville, you have the movie theater. So, cool place to hang out, get some food if you want to. Sometimes they have live music out here as well. So you don't really have to necessarily be bowling, you know, to come to Splitsville. So then here's Jaleo, which is a Spanish restaurant. And right next to that is Summer House, which I'll pass by in front of it so you can see it. Oh, I'm recording, hold on.
Weird.
So for the new movie Inside Out, they have like a little photo op here right across from the movie theater. And then you could take a picture with all your favorite characters. Joy, sadness, anger, all of them. Even anxiety. That's cute. All right, so Summer House is a brand new restaurant that just opened up. We haven't eaten here yet, but we are dying to eat here. We heard that they have a really good brunch. So that's on this side. And on this side is an ice cream place called Salt and Straw. And you know, ice cream.
If you're in the mood for it,
Then if you want your house to smell like pirates like we do, Bose signature candles right here. You get some of the scents from the parks. Over here is a bunch of food trucks, Mexican food, the Candy Cauldron, which we put in our other Disney Springs vlog, where you can see them make all the candy and all the yummy, yummy desserts. The girls love this. They love that they're able to see everything that's being made. It's mixing right now.
The icing.
So that's the icing for the candy apples.
Is this strawberry
I think so.
or raspberry?
I'm not sure.
I know that is
I
chocolate.
think it's just, they're both chocolate. It's just that one of them is red, has red food coloring. And right here you have the Marvel superhero headquarters. Let's go in here and see what they have. Oh my God, you guys, look at this Spider-Man Loungefly. This one's nice too. I've been eyeing this one for a very long time. Very nice. And then you have the one on the bottom with all the characters. Guys, look how cute this hat is. It's reversible. It's like that. And then boom, you got this all over print. That's cute. Bird says she loves this one because it's Ghost Spider. Let me see.
And she's my favorite color too.
Yeah, you like it too, Vic? Yeah. Oh yeah, the goggles, her goggles. I like this book bag a lot. It's really nice. No, you're not.
hold on.
It's okay.
Buy
The jewels and put them in. That's cool.
Does your mother know?
Shakespeare in the park.
You're in the park.
I love it.
Apparently, we're having way too much fun with this hand. When you got that itch.
Hold on.
They have the Doctor Strange cape. That's freaking awesome.
Oh look, Mom. It's hugging the people.
Oh my God.
It It moves by itself.
Alright guys, this is a Star Wars Galactic Outpost. Look at this Chewie bag. Oh my god, he's so cute. I love it. Tummy rub. He's so cute. It's a Wampa. Baby Grogu everywhere. Ewoks. Okay. Then there's, we saw the Chewie bag. There's a, babe, move out the way. There's a Yoda bag down there.
Happy, please.
Some porgs. Very nice.
Last time.
Babe and I need to get these new I Love You, I Knows. We used to have the t-shirts back in the day. If I find the picture, I'm going to insert it. But we used to have it, and now we need to get these spirit jerseys. This bucket hat is everything. So nice. I love it. Okay, so they have another one. This is the front, and then this is the back. I like this one more. The other one just has like the Millennium Falcon in the front. I like this one. Yeah. I like these. Because it's like a different color, right?
Redo my hat.
Oh, yeah.
This for you.
I think, yeah, it looks
Yeah,
small.
that looks small.
Yeah. Very
Or
cute.
is it?
Then look, then you have like the Darth Vader ears and R2. You got the socks. Very nice. I like this. This little cardigan right here. What does it say? May the Force be with you. Very cute. Okay. All right, so we've seen 2 stores, but it's about to be 10:30. So we have to start making our way to get ready for the show. Right now we're trying to figure out where we're going to watch it from, because if we see it from on top of the garage of, you know, the parking garage, we won't be able to hear the music or the audio. And I kind of want to hear the music and the audio. So there's so many people. All right, so we may have found a spot where there's obviously no one to watch the show. See what we could see. There's Cirque du Soleil over there, and then you have everything over there. So we should be able to see it because it should be somewhere around here, and we can actually hear the audio. So much better than what we planned. Good job, babe. I have Babe to thank for that, because I was like, let's just go see it on the parking garage.
You know, we always trying to find a way.
Exactly. So over there across yonder is another resort that I just realized we've never stayed at, which is Saratoga Springs. And you're literally right next to Disney Springs. You could take the boat over and come have dinner, drinks, whatever it is, right across the water.
Or walk.
Or walk. There's a walkway, right? There's a bridge, I think.
I believe so.
I believe so. We'll go explore. That's another tour we have to do. We have a lot of tours, so stay tuned. All right, folks, here we go. Girls, you looking? You can see, girls? Yeah. Off to Neverland. Oh, you can't really see it.
Hey, man, I'll take sideways.
Dumbo. Wow.
It's up.
Coco. That's Dante. God. Look at Dante. Star Wars. Yeah. Oh, Death Star. Yes. Oh, wow. Hey, Max, babe. Wow. Guardians of the Galaxy. Babe, that's Star-Lord's ship? Alright, so they're going back into wherever it is they go. And we were only able to catch the side of it because you have to be on the other side to see it fully. So we have to come back another night to see it fully. Right, babe? But it was so beautiful.
It's a pretty good show. We watched it by House of Blues. I get why,
Boathouse. Dreams that soar, baby. We're soaring on a dream.
Dreams that soar.
So we weren't able to see the whole thing fully, like I said before, because we were on the side. We were on the side of, we were by the boathouse. So you can't really see.
Hey, that way no one is walking into the sea. Except people just putting their hands in.
So we weren't able to see the full show, so we have to come back and do it. Okay? So that we can see the full show. Where's Vic? There she is. So yeah, that's gonna do it for us today. We need to come back. We still have to come back. But it was still beautiful. I'm gonna show the clips anyways.
I liked it.
Yeah.
Like,
The song is beautiful. The drones were beautiful, gorgeous. So I can't wait to actually see it like how you're supposed to see it. I guess that's why they make everybody go over there to that side by House of Blues, so you have a good viewing of it.
I still thought it was pretty cool, even though it was like sideways.
It was
'Cause there's
cool
certain
to
things
see it.
that you could still,
That you can still make out and you can
know
still
what it
see.
is. Like,
Right.
they
It wasn't
had
like towards the end of the show
the Death Star. the
that you
Tucson.
couldn't really tell. But yeah, those things you can tell because of the music of the movies and stuff. So, you know, that's gonna do it for us. This little summer,
Wally and Eve.
yes, Wally and Eve, this little summer vlog that we have. So we're all gonna go ahead and say Vic. We're gonna say bye. We're gonna say peace. No. Okay, so what we saying? She's just gone.
She say I'm out.
I'm out.